And then going down the list here, we're going to want to go to branding on the left-hand side and make sure you add a watermark because this is how you can get a couple extra subscribers. So you just click add watermark and then you can upload something. You can upload like your profile picture or something, or you might want to upload a little button that says subscribe, like download an image of a subscribe button and put that as your watermark. So I just uploaded my logo for now, so then we can just hit save. And there we go, the new watermark is uploaded. Now the reason I recommend adding this watermark is because it'll appear on the bottom right hand side of your YouTube videos, and this actually allows people and gives them the chance to click it and then click subscribe, because when you click this watermark or hover over it, a little subscribe button will come up. So this is just a nice little way to get a couple extra subscribers. And I recommend not using the default settings. So you're going to want to click custom start time and put entire video. Make sure your watermark appears for the entire video, because then it gives people more of a chance to see it. And then click update. There we go. Now that we got that done, we're going to want to go to advanced on the left hand side right there. And by default, it'll put your country as Afghanistan, and you're going to want to change that to whatever country you're in. And now you can add some channel keywords. Now, channel keywords are essentially a way to tell YouTube what your channel is about, so you can start ranking your actual channel as well. And you separate the keywords with spaces. And if you have multiple words in a keyword, you put quotations around them. So the name of my channel is Make Money Matt, so we can put one Make Money Matt right there. And as you can see, since there's spaces inside of it, we put quotations around it. Then we can just hit space and then put a keyword saying make, a keyword saying money, and a keyword saying Matt. Just like that. Maybe another keyword saying make money, and then another keyword saying make money online. Just like that. So we just added a couple keywords right there. Now I recommend hitting save, and this will save your changes and put them into effect. And now that you got that down, let's go back to your actual YouTube channel, and you can do this by clicking these three bars on the top left and then clicking my channel. And then once you're here, hit that customize channel button again. And then once you're here, go to the about section of your YouTube channel. Now, I recommend adding a good channel description because this helps with SEO and everything within YouTube. So you can just quickly type what your channel's about. Just put a couple keywords in there to help you rank, and then just click done. And if you want, you can add an email for email inquiries, like a business email, so people can email you. But for the types of channels we're going to be making to create money, you don't have to do that. I do recommend adding one, though, because then if people have any like copyright inquiries or anything, they can contact you. And then down here at the bottom, this little link button right here, as you can see, you can click this and add links, whatever links you want. So let's say you have a website or something to promote, you can put them in right there, and then they'll appear right up here on the bottom right-hand side of your YouTube channel art. So guys, those are some of my top ways of optimizing every single new YouTube channel that I create. Alright guys, now that we have our YouTube channel all set up and optimized, we're going to want to connect it to an Adsense account so we can start making money from our YouTube channel. And you can do this by clicking on your profile picture on the top right and then going to your Creator Studio. And again, it might bring up the new version of the Creator Studio, and we can easily get back to the old version by going to More on the Other Features category right there. Now once we're in the old Creator Studio, we can click Channel on the left-hand side right here. And now as you can see, it says monetization, this little box right here. We're going to want to click Enable. Now, as I said, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to have monetization enabled, but we can apply for monetization before that, and then once you hit that milestone, it'll automatically put the ads on. And then once you hit that amount, your channel will automatically be reviewed and ads will be put on your channel and you can start making money. So to apply for monetization and make an Adsense account, we just click Start. And then you can just read the YouTube terms of service and everything and then agree to it. And once you accept that term, now it's time to sign up for Adsense if you don't already have an Adsense account. If you already have an Adsense account, you can still click Start and then link it to your old Adsense account, and then just click Next. And as you can see, this is the sign up page. And as you can see, this is the new sign up page for Google AdSense. So you can just select everything, select your country, review the terms of service, and then accept, and then just click create account. So I already have an AdSense account, so I don't need to make a new one here, but I'm just showing you guys how you do it. And then once you connect your Adsense account and everything, then once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you will be automatically reviewed, and then once you're accepted, you can start making money from your YouTube channel. So that's how to sign up for Adsense. Alright guys, so right now we're going to talk about choosing a niche for your new YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to give you some of my top niche ideas, and I'll let you know some niches I actually do make videos on. And one of those is conspiracy theories. Now, conspiracy theories are a really good niche because there's a lot of people who make videos that are listed under Creative Commons, which again means you can use the videos. So to find videos that are listed under Creative Commons, just search conspiracy theory and then hit filter and then go to Creative Commons. And now this is really cool. So all of these videos right here, you can download and then re-upload them to your YouTube channel and make money off of it. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything, but I'm just giving you some ideas right here. So conspiracy theories are a really good niche. And as you can see, there's tons of videos. And that's because these people want you to download and re-upload their videos. They want them being shared. Because sometimes people like to spread messages, so they'll upload their videos as Creative Commons in the hope that someone downloads and then re-uploads it. So conspiracies are really good. Another niche that's really good is compilation videos. You've probably seen these everywhere. And compilation videos aren't necessarily all using Creative Commons videos within them. It's just that the videos they're using, as you can see right here, they're like usually amateur videos, so they're not going to like enforce copyright or anything. So another really good niche is top 5 videos, you know, countdown videos. It could be top 20 videos, top 10 videos. Just essentially videos where you count down the top 5 of something like this, scariest moments caught on GoPro, and as you can see, they have a really good thumbnail, so it just makes you want to click. And you don't necessarily even have to use videos within it too. You can also just put together like a compilation of pictures and do like top 5 underwater discoveries. You can just search that, put together some pictures, talk in it, do a quick voiceover. These videos are pretty easy to make, so top 5 videos are another really good niche. Another really good niche are invention videos, or like tech videos. Now you might be asking, how can I get free tech videos to download and then re-upload? Now this is really cool. Even though these videos aren't Creative Commons, you're using people's products which they want to get sold. So they're not going to like enforce copyright or anything. So there's so many channels doing this. As you can see, one of them here is Quantum Tech HD. And if we just go to any of their random videos like this one I just opened, look at all these ads in here. All those yellow marks are ads. So I recommend looking for videos that have advertisements on them and that are getting a lot of views. Like look at this one. This one was uploaded September 30th. The date right now is October 7th. And it already has 1.6 million views. So it's making this guy a lot of money. If we look at his Social Blade stats right here, he's making between $7,000 and $112,000 per month just from this channel. It's fully monetized. Now you might be asking like, where can I find videos and stuff? I just recommend going to these people's channels because look at all these videos. These are all videos you can use. So to actually use the videos, you just open it in a new tab. You go down to their description and look at this. They have the links to each of these products. So all you do is you copy all these links like into a text document or something, and then you can download this video. You can rearrange some things so it's not the exact same as their video, you know. Maybe cover up this Q on the top right corner, put your own watermark over it, and then you re-upload it. Like let's say, like in this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos within this one. So you could put them into a top 5 list. So just take 5 of these, do top 5 new inventions that are another level, steal their title, and then make another top 5 video, top 5 inventions that are another level too. Because as you can see, this is the 3rd video that this guy made. So you can just download this video, and I'll be showing you like how to download, edit, put it together into compilations, all using free stuff. So there we go, guys. And now this channel isn't alone doing this either. Here's another channel, Tech HD. They're doing the exact same thing. See, uploading these invention videos. See, each one's a top 5 list because they're just doing 5 of these videos. Now I recommend, once you find ideas, I recommend subscribing to these channels, because once you subscribe to them, you'll get notified and you can just copy them and find out which videos are working. Now to find out some of the most popular videos and get ideas for videos, just do sort by and then most popular on their channel. And I recommend starting out making videos with similar thumbnails. Now you might be saying like, if I make a video with the same thumbnail, it's not, that video's already taken, it's already been used. I can tell you guys for a fact, I've used videos with the same thumbnails as other people's videos, and I've had instances in which my video goes more viral than their original video because, you know, I do better on tags, better title and everything, but you know the thumbnail's working if the video has millions of views, as you can see these do. So I recommend just making videos the same as these, and you can go to this one too and then sort by most popular. And like this Tech HD channel, if we go to his Social Blade stats, he's making a good couple $1,000s a month just extra. I mean, anyone would like to have an extra couple $1,000s a month. This Freeze list is making anywhere between 1 and 27,000, so he's easily making $10,000 a month off of these videos. And then if you want to see how frequently they're posting, you can just do sort by date newest. So as you can see, they're not even posting that often, so you can beat them with quantity if you just upload a lot of videos. So again, my top ideas for niches are technology videos, top 5 videos, compilation videos, and conspiracy theory videos. And I'm going to be going over how we can exactly optimize like conspiracy theory videos and everything, because I have some tips and tricks to share with you guys how I use these videos and then make them my own. So guys, those are my top ideas for niches. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.